Hey there, and welcome to another tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe. I'm the founder of BlogHandy, a simple and intuitive way to add a blog to any website, no matter if you're using a landing page builder, a website builder, or any other tool. Let's dive right into it. Today we're talking about Unbounce and how to add a blog to your Unbounce page. So Unbounce is a A/B testing landing page builder, and I've got an account with them. Let's dive right into it. So once you're in your account, just click on pages, and there under all pages, let's just say we create a new page. Then you can choose between the smart builder and the classic builder. I now choose the classic one, and I just go for the training template for now. So it's a landing page, training template, and we just say my blog test and start with this template. So with Unbounce, one of the issues is that they're loading an iframe with specific size requirements. So this might mean it cuts up your blog. So we have to do a few extra steps in this case. If it's possible and you can have the blog at the end of the page, that's the easiest way to make it work, but I'll show you both ways. So let's just say I want to add the blog. Okay, let's just remove this and let's just add the blog in this white field here. Let's just remove this stuff here. Okay, so I want the blog somewhere in my page, in the middle of the page, basically. So I just go here on the left side, you can see, and here you can see custom HTML. So I just drag and drop that here, and I can add my custom HTML code here. So you have to go to BlogHandy, copy the first step of the code snippet, paste it, and then go back and copy the second bit of code and paste it. Then click on Save Code. And this is basically where your blog will be loaded. So I'll just quickly show you the preview. Let's save it first and then do the preview. As you can see here, the blog is being loaded, but it's just too small. So let's go back to your edit. And what you can do is you put that iframe here and you make it the correct widths. You make it a bit bigger. All right. So now when you save it and you preview it, you can see it works correctly. But with Unbounce, we still have the problem that the blog is only as high as this field we selected in the editor. So if we have a long blog post, it's not gonna be loaded unless we do one more CSS change. Okay, so the other change we have to do is we have to select this custom HTML box. So one where our code is, our blog code. We select it, and on the right hand side under element metadata, we check ID, and we need to take this ID. Select it and copy it. And then we have to go at the bottom under style sheets. And here we have to write style. Then the hashtag and this ID. And then overflow, scroll, close it, and close the style. This is the code we need here. Then just click on done, click on save, and let's also publish this page to see it, not just in preview, but to have it published. So for that, we go back to overview. Up here, we click on publish, right? Yeah. Publish page. This might take a second. All right, perfect. And now when we click here on the URL, you can see our blog being loaded. And when I click on a blog post, you can see here the scroll bar. So within that box, I can read the blog post, I can go back, and it loads the blog. So this is how you would integrate BlogHandy within the page. Then your website visitor needs to scroll a bit. What you can also do is have it at the bottom of the page, and then you can show the entire blog post in one go. Let me show you how to do that. We just go back to edit that variant. And let's just say the blog section would be the last bit of the website. So I just remove the other bits. So this would be the last bit of our website. The only thing we have to change in the styles is to go to style sheet, and instead of overflow scroll, we do overflow visible. We click on done, we save it, we republish it, we go to the page. As you can see now, our blog is the last bit of the landing page, and when you click on it, it loads the entire blog post. What you then have to do as well is to just copy paste the URL of your landing page, go to BlogHandy, click on settings, and paste that into the blog URL field, and just click on save all changes. Now it's fully linked, your BlogHandy and your Unbounce account, and that's it. Thanks a lot for listening, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'm happy to help you. Happy blogging and bye bye.